Now the equation of a straight line by using 2 points form. When a line is passing through 2 points, then what will be the equation of the straight line? Like this is the line and this is the point. One is a x1 comma y1 and this is the b x2 comma y2. These are 2 points lying on the straight line. Then what will be the equation of the straight line? We can use here the point slope form. By using the point slope form, because the line is passing through this point, so using the point slope form, we can write equation of straight line AB is y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. But m is not given. So we'll find the m using these 2 points. M is equal to, so it is y2 minus y1 minus, so using 2 points, the slope of line AB is, that is m is y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. We can write m is equal to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. So finally, equation of AB becomes y minus y1 is equal to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1 into x minus x1. This is the equation using the 2 points form. Or you can remember like this also, x minus x1 upon x2 minus x1. When you bring x2 minus x1 on the right side and y2 minus y1 in the left side, y minus y1 upon y2 minus y1. So this is also the equation of the same straight line using 2 points form. Now the next form is intercepts form. In this one, when a line cuts intercept on the x-axis as well as on the y-axis, like this. This is the straight line which cuts intercept on the x-axis A and which cuts intercepts on the y-axis as B. Then what will be the equation of this line L? If we suppose this point is A and this point is B, then what will be the coordinate of A? So you can write this is A comma 0 and you can write this is 0 comma B. So equation of line AB using previous 2 points form, it will be y minus y1. If we take this as y1 is equal to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1 into x minus x1. So we'll get y is equal to b upon minus a into x minus a. Now we can transfer b in the left side. Y upon b is equal to 1 upon minus a into x minus a. If you open the bracket, it comes minus x upon a plus 1. So finally you will get x upon a plus y upon b equal to 1 is the required equation of straight line AB, where A is called x intercept and B is called y intercept.